guys, July 8th, 2020. This one here I got a call for AC not working. So I've been there a couple of years ago. Changed the fuse from what he said. But I don't know. So the inside fan's working. The filter's clean inside. But the outside is just not cooling. So who knows what it is. We'll go by and see if we get it going for the guy. Story of my life working on junk equipment. Working on junk equipment, mama. So you did check there's no breakers trip, that's just not running.
Right. A sponge pad in the garage. You want it to kneel on?
Oh, I'm on dirt here.
All right.
I'm fine. It should be fine. Let's open it up before we start it up, see what's going on with it. So it's running, but just not cooling.
Right.
The Goodman. Like little bantam roosters over there, huh?
Yeah, I think there's just one rooster.
They don't keep you up making all that noise?
Actually, my bedroom is on the front side in this corner, so it's not too bad.
A noisy little bugger, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure if you said something to the neighbor, he would probably... Huh. I don't see no burnt wires. You said I changed something in here?
I thought it was a fuse or something in there.
It might be a bad capacitor. I'll have to check it. It's a Hummer.
Yeah.
I think if that was mine, I'd wring its neck. Alright, so we got a common in the fan. Nothing. Yeah, so we got a... I think we got a bad cap there. Let's try that. Let's hope that's what it is.
Switching the house is off.
Yeah, no, I know. I got it.
Okay.
I'm just checking it here and
Yep.
make sure I got no voltage. I don't want to get shocked. All right, power's off. 35.5. I should have that in the truck. No mice.
Nope. 2 neighbors up the street. He's a cat sanctuary.
Oh, really?
The town pays him to take care of the cats.
For the cats?
All spayed and neutered.
No shit,
and the
huh?
cats are all over here, so...
Alright, let me get another... It's a 35.5, but I think that's our issue. We'll change that first because it's not reading anything. Alright, so I got a 35 and a 5. I gotta change it. Brown is the fan, yellow is the compressor. red and the purple's a common. I'm gonna have to put two in there because I don't have that one in the truck. So I have two separate ones. It'll be cheaper for you if I do it this way than if I run out and get the right one. Sometimes you're better off with the two separate ones. Whatever it takes, right?
Yep.
We'll get the power off.
It was kind of a rough night last night without it.
Was it?
Oh.
You're not used to it.
No.
You're used to having the AC, and then all of a sudden, don't look puffy, but it's dead for sure. It's dead. So we'll just put two in there instead of one. I mean, that's all. No big deal. You got it off inside still, right?
Yes.
You retired now?
Oh yeah.
How do you like that?
I do. I've retired for about 11 years now.
You like it?
Yes. I do, my wife doesn't.
I talk to some people like it, some people don't. I mean...
My wife doesn't. She misses the work, misses the people.
Does she? Alright, so we're just gonna put a 30 and a 5 together. Yeah, some people, I mean, they don't miss the traveling, right?
No.
Just gonna
Wasn't
make
bad.
sure.
I worked at UMass, so it was easy commute for me.
Yeah, the traveling sometimes can be the worst part, is the traveling back and forth. I'll be good like that. Good enough for this neighborhood, right?
What's that?
Good enough for this neighborhood.
Yeah.
Shit, yeah. Chickens won't mind. So it's not going to hit the low voltage. This one will be common. This purple will be common. Yellow's the compressor. Brown is the fan. And we just have to jump out the common, so we get common to the fan. This common and jumps over to the fan capacitor. And then that should do it. It should. I think it's gonna start.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Like I said, I didn't have the proper capacitor in the truck. I usually have those, but I don't have that for some reason. I'm out of that. I might have some in the garage, I'm not sure. It's that time of year. I mean, you go through so many of these, it's ridiculous. You want me to check the charge while I'm here?
May as well.
Go turn it on inside.
Turn it on?
Turn on the cooling and turn it down so it runs, and I'll check it.
What do you want to set it to?
Well, put it so it don't shut off. I mean, if it's 70 in the house, put it to 65 so it don't shut off on me. Just for now, right? Was no good. Say that again? What about it?
Well, you didn't have that 15 years ago.
This is fine right here. I'm just going to get the wet bulb. Alright, so it's 70. Yeah, it's a little humid in here.
What's that?
It's a little humid in here.
Yeah.
Alright, 70. Well, that's a silky. Yeah, he's got a silky, but them are all little tiny bantam hens. He's got 2 roosters there. See the 3 roosters. See the ones with the red on the head? They're roosters. He's got 3 of them. They're little bantams. Outside, 70 wet bulb, 78 outside, so we'll say 75. 28 degrees superheat. That's where we're at. Charges right on at 28. So that's good. It's not leaking. Not leaking any Freon. It's a 30, 2.5 ton Goodman. Well, that's good. No leaks. That's good news, right? Alright, let me get you a slip.